Next, we'll see the lens formula for a concave lens. A concave lens always forms a virtual image, wherever be the position of the object. And also the focal length of a concave lens is always negative. Now, let us consider a concave lens. This is the optic center. Let us place the object anywhere. So when I place the object over here, a ray of light from A parallel to the principal axis after refraction diverges. That's why it's called as a diverging lens. It diverges. But when extended, it appears to come from the point F. Another ray of light passing through the optic center goes without any deviation. These two rays meet at the point A dash. Therefore, A dash B dash is the virtual, erect and diminished image of AB. Now, in a similar manner as we proved for convex lens, triangles ABC and A dash B dash C are similar. Let me mark this point as D over here. So, A dash B dash by AB equal to CB dash by CB. This is equation 1. Similarly, triangles A dash B dash F and CDF. And CDF are similar. So, A dash B dash by CD. But CD equal to AB. So, I write it as AB equal to FB dash. FB dash by CF. So, this is equation 2. Now, the right hand side of the two equations, when you equate CB dash by CB equal to FB dash by CF. When you apply the sign conventions, CB is the object distance minus U, CB dash is the image distance minus V, and CF is the focal length which is negative, that is minus F. Also, let us substitute for FB dash. So, from this figure, FB dash is equal to CF minus CB dash. CF minus CB dash. Or FB dash will be equal to CF is minus F. CB dash is minus V, so we get it as plus V. So, when you substitute in this equation, we get CB dash is minus V by minus U equal to FB dash is minus F plus V by CF is minus F. Now, let us cross multiply both and we get VF equal to UF minus UV. Let us divide on both sides by UVF. We get 1 by U equal to 1 by V minus 1 by F. When I bring this to this side, 1 by F will be equal to 1 by V minus 1 by U. This is the lens formula for a concave lens. So, it is the same whether it is a convex lens or a concave lens. Only the position of the image will change for a convex lens depending on whether it is placed within the focus or beyond the focus. Now, we have one more term to explain over here, which is called as the power of the lens. Power, it is the ability of the lens to converge or diverge the amount of light that is falling on it. For example, when you consider a thick lens always has a short focal length. Therefore, the ability to converge will be more compared to a thin lens. So, a thick lens will have a larger power than a thin lens. And the expression for power is 1 by F. And if F is in meters, you write the unit as diopter. So, the power of the lens is said to be 1 diopter if it has got a focal length of 1 meter. When we write the same in terms of centimeters, we write P is equal to 1 by F by 100. So, you get it as 100 by F. If F is in centimeters, so we get it as 100 by F. Suppose if F is 20 centimeters, then the power will be 100 by 20, which is equal to 5 diopter. So, the unit is always diopter and it's represented by capital D.